This is my 2007 Hyundai Sonata. And about 3 days ago, I get in the car, and there's this foul smell. I said, God, it smells like a dead animal. And I thought it was perhaps a, water in the air conditioning system had made some mold, so I turned the heater on and something. So I came back the next day, yesterday, and it still foul, smelled like a dead animal. So anyways, I said, let me pull on this air filter here, the cabin air filter. And if you look inside here, some animal has tried to make a nest in here, and it is a disaster. Look at this. An animal got in here and has made a nest. So, this is crazy. Does it stink? So I bet I do have a dead animal down in here. I don't know. Boom! Or it's animal pee. Oh my God! It's choking me. Let's get this out of the car. Oh, that is foul. Man, that is really foul. Oh my goodness. So maybe what it was, there was an animal in here, and it just tried to live in here, go into the bathroom, and that's all animal pee. Whew! Oh, do those leaves stink. Jeez, that's the problem. Well, let me get some Lysol and some cleaner, clean this thing out. I'm gonna use this Clorox stuff to spray everything here and clean it off. Okay, let you know when I'm done. I'll put this back together. Okay, I've kind of used Lysol here to clean things off. I got the fan on in there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just spraying Lysol into the intake. So it's gonna go inside the car system. There it is. I can, okay, so there's the, I've got the fan on, and yep, I can smell it coming out. So what I'm doing is, this is gonna get some, yeah, that's good. So what this is doing is, it's gonna get some Clorox, whoop, it's gonna get some nice Clorox cleaner and bleach into the whole system here. Kill some germs, hopefully. Shoot a little more in there. I don't think it can hurt it. Yeah, it's coming out. That's good. Alrighty. So I think we're okay. That should be about enough. I smell it. Woo! I just don't smell the Clorox. I still smell the crap from the animal. So I'm gonna shoot some more in here. Cleans. Cleaner and bleach. Kills 99% of bacteria and viruses found in the home. Well, well, this is the car. There we go. Okay. There we go. It's going in. There you go. Now, I think all the animal pee is gone. I went to Pep Boys and I picked up this CCF 1814 filter, which is actually what's in the car right now. All right, here we go. It's nice. It's in nice and tight. This place sure smells like Lysol fresh right now. So I'm gonna put this in just like this. Let me turn the car on again. There we go. And it's working good. No smells. Anyways, it is the next day, and what I wanted to do was just reach my hand down inside the fan and see if there was any leaves and stuff that had fallen down in there that I didn't get out yesterday, because actually I didn't reach my hand down into the fan. And I did find some leaves in here. I pulled them out, but you know what else I found? I found the dead mouse. There he is right there. Look at that thing. It's all shriveled up and toast, you know. And that's what, look at his little feet and stuff. So that's how small this thing is that got into my car. Now I can see how he got in, because he's so tiny. But how in the heck did he bring in all those leaves, you know? Pretty crazy. So anyways, I think hopefully that'll get most of the smell out, because I don't think there's any more leaves and stuff that I can feel down in here. But what I'm going to do is turn the car on and shoot some more Clorox cleaner in here. I have got this stuff which is peppermint spray. Now the other day I sprayed it all up on the air intake outside the car just to keep the mice off. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray some down in here. Hit this whole thing with peppermint spray. Oh boy, does that smell nice. It smells like Christmas in here now. But anyways, so mice do not like peppermint. So I'm just going to hit this with peppermint in here, and hopefully if they come back they won't like it. Actually, what I can do is let me spray a little bit on this top of the air filter here. There you go. And hopefully that'll keep them away too. Hey, I have to tell you, that peppermint spray is strong. It's kind of like I've got a super air freshener in here right now. Number one, wear a mask. Because I will tell you, if you don't wear a mask, which I didn't wear a mask, I pulled this out, I breathed all that stuff in, it was putrid. It was absolutely horrible. So wear a mask, because luckily I don't think I got infected, but wear a mask with this, because it burned my lungs. Trying to breathe this well, not trying, but I was breathing this bleach in, and God, that was horrible. All right, other thing, when you use that, if you do use some bleach cleaner, watch where it falls. Because what happened was, I sprayed it all in there and I didn't have anything on my carpet here, and the bleach dripped on it and, you know, discolored it. Not that that means a difference, because the dirt will probably make it dirty again, okay? And so that's what we got right here. So those are the points. Wear a mask and watch on the bleach.